So you've got here 12 sort of coupled motivation types. You've got social, with mastery, sort of management here in this context, which is be like sort of strategic planning. In the social, we have working with others, or the competition, which would sort of be the opposite, although you can work with other people to compete. Mastery in terms of improving skills or reaching certain milestones. Management would be kind of more strategic planning or resource optimization. You've got expression, role playing, customization, exploration, collecting and discovery, and escapism, sort of thinking and problem solving, or excitement and thrill. And so we're going to sort of flip-flop between these two next slides, because within each one of these motivations lies, there are multiple different types of features that you could apply to sort of access these types of motivations, but we've listed a couple here. So for example, if you have a game which revolves around, that has a lot of social elements, you have players who are really, connecting with each other, and that's a big part of your business, and you see that, then introducing a gifting and sharing mechanism might drive a lot more retention or monetization than, for example, if you have that same system and you introduce a leaderboard, which would ultimately be very competitive. So you might see people working together and might want to encourage that, but if you introduce the wrong mechanic, you may actually break the whole chain of the process. And I think that's also the sort of the double-edged sword, and why we have these kind of paired systems here to a degree, because we want to try to highlight that each element that you introduce to your product may benefit a lot of people in a certain way, but it may have the detrimental effect if you misalign with the actual event that you're trying to maximize,